Students, today we will start with chapter 3 Ecosystems. Now, what is environment? Environment means all the non living and the living beings which surround us. Another term to describe surrounding of an organism is habitat. Now, what is habitat? Beta, habitat means place where an organism live with all the characteristics of the place, like climate of that place, soil of that place, or type of plants and animals growing at that place. So, if an organism is living in forest, that is forest habitat. If the organism is in ocean, then that is marine habitat, or it is in desert, then that is desert habitat. Now, wherever the organism live, there it interact with other living organisms or non-living things also. This interaction between living and non-living things of the surrounding of a particular place, that is called as ecosystem. In this chapter, we are going to learn about ecosystem in detail and the study of all type of ecosystem, that is called as ecology. Now, starting with the components of an ecosystem. Beta, all the ecosystem, whether they are small or large, they are divided into two main types. First, the aquatic ecosystem, and the second are terrestrial ecosystem. Beta, the ecosystem which exist in water bodies, those ecosystems are called as aquatic ecosystem, such as ocean, a lake, or a puddle. And if an ecosystem exists on land, that ecosystem is called as terrestrial ecosystem. Now, aquatic ecosystem is further divided into two types: freshwater ecosystem and marine ecosystem. Freshwater ecosystem means lakes, rivers, ponds, etc., where fresh water is present. And marine ecosystem means sea and oceans. In the same way, terrestrial ecosystem is also divided into many types like grassland ecosystem, forest ecosystem, mountain ecosystem, and desert ecosystem. Now, all these ecosystem, they also interact with each other. Different areas of the earth have different ecosystem, and these all ecosystem are connected to each other. So such several connected ecosystem in a large area of land or sea, they are called as biome. Each biome is defined by the climate and soil of that region. In each biome, their climate and soil differ from each other, and according to the climate and soil, the plants and animals which are adapted to that places, they also differ from each other. Like one example which is given here, desert is a biome, and this desert is made up of large number of ecosystems such as oasis ecosystem, sand dune ecosystem. There are many biomes on the surface of earth. Now all these biomes, whether that is ocean biome or desert biome or forest biome, they all together combine to form next level, that is called as biosphere. Biosphere is a place on this planet where life exists. The part of the earth atmosphere, hydrosphere, that is water on the earth, lithosphere, crust of the earth, that outer layer of the earth, where living beings exist are together, is called a biosphere. It is a all area which present on the earth where life exists. It is the sum total of all the ecosystems on the earth. Now, the non-living part of the ecosystem, that is light, temperature, water, air and soil, they all constitute abiotic components of the ecosystem. Already in the beginning, I told you ecosystem is just an interaction between living and non living things which are there in a one particular area. So, in ecosystem, two types of components are present. Abiotic components like light, temperature, water, air and soil. And in the same way, plants, animals and microorganisms, they make up biotic component of the ecosystem. Now, after that, abiotic and biotic, these are the two main components of the ecosystem. There is one third component of ecosystem also, that is called as cultural component. Unlike the biotic and abiotic component, the cultural component is man-made. Beta, abiotic and biotic component are natural, but this cultural component, it is man-made. It consists of the effects produced on the environment by human activities such as agriculture, clearing of forest, growth of industries, etc. So all these activities which are affecting our environment, they are the part of cultural component of ecosystem. Now next we are going to study biotic components in detail.